If you're still using the old methods to design presentations, that time is over. Now, you can use artificial intelligence to create professional presentations like the ones you see here easily, quickly, and 100% free. So if you need to make a presentation fast, and you're running out of time or don't know where to start, this video is for you. In this video, we'll see how to use an AI tool like ChatGPT to help us create a professional PowerPoint presentation through very simple steps. We'll learn how to use ChatGPT to write the presentation content, divide it into slides, and then convert that content into a PowerPoint file that we can download to our device. In addition, we'll see how to use AI technology integrated inside PowerPoint to format and beautify our presentation. All of that through a few very simple steps, so if you want to benefit, stay with us till the end of the video. Step 1. We'll start by using ChatGPT to create the presentation content. Go to ChatGPT through chat.openai.com or the mobile app and type this prompt, "Generate presentation slides about." Then add your topic. For example, you could say, "Generate presentation slides about the water cycle on Earth," or "about the solar system," or "about wild animals." It's always better to specify the educational level that the content should be written for instance. Is it for a grade 4 or 5 student, or a college student doing research? You can also set the number of slides you need in your presentation, so ChatGPT sticks to that number. The more detailed and specific you are in your request, the better the results you'll get closer to what you actually need. You can also specify the title of the presentation, the language English, Arabic, or any other, and the audience type you're targeting. You can even ask ChatGPT to focus on or highlight specific points. Before we hit submit, let's look at some of the new features in ChatGPT that we can take advantage of. You can use the attachment feature to upload a Word or PDF file, either from your computer or from your Google Drive or OneDrive, if you want ChatGPT to use that content as the main source for your presentation. You can also enable web search if your topic is new and you want ChatGPT to pull information directly from the internet. Finally, it's recommended to enable Canvas mode, which allows you to edit your presentation content smoothly using a set of powerful editing tools and shortcuts inside the Canvas feature. Once you've done all that, click Generate. ChatGPT will start writing the presentation content, dividing it automatically into slides. When it's done, it's best to review the content, make sure it fits your goal, and that it's error-free. Of course, you can edit anything you want, and with Canvas enabled, editing becomes extremely easy. You can highlight any section and ask ChatGPT to modify it directly from the preview window inside Canvas. Once ChatGPT finishes creating your presentation content and you've reviewed it, you can ask it to convert it into a PowerPoint file by typing this prompt. Export as PowerPoint presentation file. ChatGPT will analyze your content and generate some code to convert it into a PowerPoint file. At the end, it will give you a download link to get the PowerPoint presentation on your computer. Just click the link and download your file and you're ready to go. Step 2. Now open the PowerPoint file using Microsoft PowerPoint, so we can format and add the visual touch to our presentation. Here, we'll use the Microsoft Designer feature built into PowerPoint, which uses AI to automatically generate beautiful design ideas that you can apply easily to your slides. And don't worry if you don't have PowerPoint installed on your computer or mobile device, we'll also see how to use Microsoft PowerPoint online for free through Microsoft 365. After opening the PowerPoint file, click on the Design tab from the top toolbar. Then choose Slide Size. And set your slides to either Standard, 4:3, or Widescreen, 16:9. Next, go to the left panel, select the first slide, then move to the right side again, and click Designer. It's the last icon in the top menu bar labeled Designer. PowerPoint will then open the Designer panel, showing you a collection of design ideas generated automatically based on the content of your slide. Once you pick a design, it's applied immediately, and you'll see the preview in the main window. You can switch between different design ideas or click See More Design Ideas if you don't like the ones shown. Then, step by step, go through each slide in your presentation, choose the design you like, and apply it. By the end, you'll have a fully designed professional presentation made quickly and effortlessly. And that's our tutorial for today, how to create a professional PowerPoint presentation using AI, step by step. Try it yourself, and you'll be amazed by the results. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials.